Welcome back. So today we're going to do day 3 update feeding our sourdough starter. As you can see from yesterday to today, there's been quite a bit of activity that happened. Now, you see how it's separated here. You have your sediment here, you have your liquid, and then you have your barm that's formed. This liquid here is referred to as whey, just like in the makings of cheese. It's perfectly okay. You want to kind of smell it. Make sure it doesn't smell icky or rancid or something, because that'll be the indication that something bad is formed. And you can just stir this back down into it just fine. See, that's all it took. Stirred it all back together. So, just like day 1 and day 2, for day 3, we're adding another 1/4 cup. Now, I'm still using the whole wheat flour, although according to the recipe, you can switch to all-purpose. Although, if I was to do all-purpose, which when I do switch to it, I'll be using unbleached. Go ahead and put that in. And then another 1/2 cup of filtered water. And just kind of stir it all together. And there you have it. Sourdough fed and ready to go back to its room for the night. Day 3 sourdough. See you tomorrow.